Hello and a very warm welcome to one and all. आज की शाम बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज होने जा रहा है एक ऐसी मूवी का प्रीमियर जिसके लिए लाखों लोग बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
कर तो रहा हूं जो आप कह रहे हैं। क्या करने वाले हैं उनके साथ?
The superstar and the most talented actor of the small screen is going to make his debut on the big screen with his movie Amir.
Hey, this is Rajiv Khandelwal, the actor of the film, and I have with me the very special person who's made this film possible, Mr. Rajkumar Gupta, the director of the film. He looks short. He does an amazing job, trust me. Don't go by his height or by his color. We all kind of tease him. The most lovable guy on the sets after me is my director, Rajkumar Gupta. So Raj, finally the day has come, 6th of June, the premiere day. How do you feel?
Feeling great. I am feeling as you are feeling. Feeling great. Very excited about it. Nervous as well, but feeling great.
So you think we're going to make it big in this Bollywood, so-called Bollywood?
I don't know about that, but I would certainly like to keep on making good film, and we both would like to be part of some good film in near future.
I thought you were saying, I don't know about you, but I'm certainly going to make it big, Raj.
तो देखते रहिए सिर्फ UTV मूवीज क्योंकि आपके पास है VIP पास। Hello and a very warm welcome to one and all. आज की शाम बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज होने जा रहा है एक ऐसी मूवी का प्रीमियर जिसके लिए लाखों लोग बहुत ही बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
कर तो रहा हूं जो आप कह रहे हैं। क्या करने वाले हैं उनके साथ?
The superstar and the most talented actor of the small screen is going to make his debut on the big screen with his movie Amir.
How do you feel when you get such brilliant reviews from the critics? I mean, your film hasn't even come out, but all the critics, I'm talking about all the senior critics, have kind of really appreciated your film.
It's really heartening to get appreciated from them, from people who have been in the industry and seen it all, and it really gives us, it makes me feel proud and great that people are appreciating the hard work that we have put in, and the story that we have told. They are appreciating that as well.
Very well done. Not merely in the taking, but in all the details. Very well told tale. Very good.
The locations are very good. The way it's been shot is very good. The feeling of Bombay is all there. was wonderful, fast-paced, very unique, very unusual, completely unpredictable. I loved it, and I think Rajiv Khandelwal is wonderful.
तो देखते रहिए सिर्फ UTV मूवीज, क्योंकि आपके पास है VIP पास। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ श्रद्धा और मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ VIP पास आमिर मूवी के प्रीमियर का, जो राजीव खंडेलवाल की डेब्यू मूवी है।
वो मेरे पीछे क्यों भागा?
Just the promotions have been really exciting, and it's awesome always to see small screen stars make it big on the big screen, and it's a great turnout. Just waiting to see Rajiv and his performance on the big screen. He's always been a very popular guy on television, a popular personality as a celebrity. So let's see what he does as a movie star.
आई थिंक ये फौजी का जो किस्सा था, शाहरुख सर जो आज की तारीख में टेलीविजन से आए हैं और इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, आई थिंक हिस्ट्री इज गोना बी रिपीटेड. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई विश राजीव ऑल द बेस्ट.
जब हम संक्रमण में साथ शूट किया करते थे, आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल हिम, व्हाई डोंट यू डू फिल्म्स यार, एंड ही इज लाइक, देखते हैं अगर किस्मत ले जाए तो. एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट, एंड राजीव यू रॉक मैन, यू रियली रॉक, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट एंड गॉड ब्लेस हिम.
जब एक्टर भूखा होता है ना, तो वो जान लगा के काम करता है, वही चाहिए. एक्टर की भूख चाहिए, ना कि उसका नाम कितना है.
This UTV Sport Boy is one of the first productions, so I think that they always come up with something new, something novel, and this is Rajiv's debut film, so I'm sure there's going to be lots of exciting stuff.
For more inside stories on the premiere of Amir, keep watching UTV Movies. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ श्रद्धा और मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ VIP पास आमिर मूवी के प्रीमियर का, जो राजीव खंडेलवाल की डेब्यू मूवी है.
वो मेरे पीछे क्यों भागा?
गट फीलिंग मेरा ये कहता है कि लड़का बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल एक्टर होगा एक दिन. फिल्मों का, टेलीविजन का तो खैर रहा ही. आई मीन काइंड ऑफ fan following with the women he had, and I'm sure I have a very strong, very good feeling about Rajiv.
I think definitely Rajiv Khandelwal is having his huge fan following, and looking at that, I think definitely he's going to rock.
One thing I know that UTV is a reputed company, and I know Rajiv, he's a fantastic actor, and whatever he'll do, he'll make sure that it's the best. So I think a star is born.
इसकी थीम बहुत अच्छी है और टेररिज्म की बात होती है और माइनॉरिटीज़ की बात होती है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से इस सब्जेक्ट को बहुत ही सेंसिटिव अंदाज में लिया गया है और इस सब्जेक्ट के अलग अलग पहलुओं को बहुत अच्छी तरह से इसमें दर्शाया गया है.
फॉर दिस मूवी आई वांट बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेस, बिकॉज इस फिल्म से क्या होगा, ये फिल्म रास्ता खोलेगी हम लोग और नए लोगों को लेकर के और नए तरह के काम कर सकेंगे.
For more inside stories on the premiere of Amir, keep watching UTV Movies.